together, okay? We'll discuss what kind of issues we run into. And again, that'll prepare us for our next lesson, okay?
Okay.
So, you've been working on fractions. Everybody knows this. Before I reveal the solutions, what we're going to do, who remembers how to do this? Well, you know what? I know what I'll do. I'll cover it. Let's talk about it. Is this more than one or less than one?
More than one.
Right. So how many drawings should we have?
2.
Because it's less than 2, but more than 1. So 2. I heard the magic number. 2. 2 drawings. How should we slice it up? How do we slice them up and why? I want to know why are we slicing them up? Eva. No, you do not need to use a rectangle, okay? I told you guys this was no stress. Jonathan, why do we slice this up? I need everybody paying attention here. Why do we slice it up? Talk to me. Why do we slice it into thirds? Why? Because the denominator is 3, right? We have 1. Oh, okay. Yeah, we have 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, right?
Yes.
Yes. So, why is that? Because it has it right there. It's telling us to cut it into thirds. Okay. Why did we color them yellow? Yeah, answer it, please. She's walking one of the students to number 20, to classroom 23.
She's at classroom 23. Yes. Yeah. Mr. Mr. Scott, thank you.
Who's it?
Mr. Scott.
Mr. Scott?
Yeah.
How are you, Renee? No? Hello, sir. Yes, hi, Mr. Scott. Yes, we are doing a math lesson, but we, okay, yeah, she'll be right there. Okay, thank you.
Oh, that all?
Okay, hey, everybody, let's focus. So, 1, 2, 3, well, why did we color them yellow? Because we colored this whole thing yellow because it's the whole. And we colored this third yellow, why? Right, because it's 1 out of 3. Okay, then we cut it in half. Why did we cut it in half? Because that's what the equation is telling us, right?
Yes.
It's saying 1/3, cut it in half. So we cut it in half. We shaded one of the halves. Shaded one of the halves. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 are overlapped. What are these pieces called? What are these pieces called? I'm going to call random table if I don't see volunteers. What are these pieces called? Any volunteers? 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 Any more? Nevada? 6. 4 of the 6 have been shaded by both colors, okay? And then either answer is okay. I see some 4/6, I see some 2/3. 4/6 is the standard answer. And then if you want to reduce it down to the smallest fraction. Yes, Sam?
Didn't we have to do the thing with the shape a whole box in and then shape the...
Yes, so this was brand new, we just learned this yesterday. We do have those, and it's, I think it'll be on your third problem, fourth problem when you do that, okay? Now, what about the next one? What do we know about that? Jonathan?
It's not
Right. If we're taking 5, and what are we doing to 5? We're cutting it? Cutting. We're cutting it into what? Thirds. It's too late. 5. What are we doing to it? Cutting it into thirds. Now, can you multiply 5 times 3?
No. Yes.
Can you multiply 5 times 3?
Yes.
Can you multiply 5 times 3?
No.
No. What do we multiply?
We multiply 5 times 1.
If you chose to multiply, would you multiply the top? You did it right. Do you multiply 5 times 3?
Yes.
Or 5 times 1?
No.
5 times 1, right? Yes, 5 thirds. Yes. Okay. Now, if you didn't multiply, what would you do? Can you draw 5 boxes and cut them into thirds?
Yes.
Who did that? Did anybody do that, or did everybody multiply? Jose, you drew the boxes? Very good. This is a very good way to actually visualize and see what is happening. If you had 5 cakes, 5 chocolate cakes, okay, and you wanted to take, and you wanted to keep a third at home, how would you cut them? Well, you cut each one into a third, and you take a slice from a third, one of those thirds, and you keep it at home, right? Put it in the fridge. Okay. Who remembers how to do this one? Somebody tell me the shortcut. How to make this easy. Albie.
I don't have a shortcut, but I want to make sure if I'm right.
Okay.
I didn't do the whole, like, making the numbers smaller.
Okay.
But I got 100 and 130.
100. I think it should be 100 and 140. Right? Okay, it should be 100 and 140. Okay, and that would be okay. Okay, who remembers this shortcut here? Jose.
4 times 25 and 5 times 28.
Okay, so that's what Albie did. He did 4 times 25 and 5 times 28. He got 100 over